Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to replace the dust filter on 1998 Mercedes CL600. It's the same from the first generation of Mercedes CL600 v12 engine. It means that 12 cylinders from 1991 to 1998. Okay, so because this is the v12, it's a little bit complicated, but first off, we have to remove this whole panel up here, over there, okay, over there. So it's a lot of screws. I will pause the video for a while to remove all these screws. So removing all the screws on this panel, we just lift this up like this, and it's gonna reveal. Okay, there's about more than 20 T20 Torx T20 screw and then two long Phillips screws and one Phillips screw like this. Okay, and okay, so after removing this panel, and here's the thing. Okay, here's the whole tray of it. Okay, and very easy. There are three Phillips screws that you have to remove. 1, 2, and 3 over there. Okay, so I move the three the Phillips screw right here. Last one in there. So 3 up there, and then very easy. We gotta lift this up. Very careful. Somebody already break that one, so we gotta be careful. See that? That's the filter. That's a dust filter. Okay, look very similar to this, right? And very easy. We just remove it and then replace with a new one. After taking it out, we just put it side by side. Okay, to make sure that they look identical. So it's like they really look alike. Okay, and be careful of this arrow. Okay, this is the airflow direction. So we gotta put the same. Okay, so the arrow is up like that. So we gotta, but very easy. You cannot miss it because this tray having the same shape of the filter. So you cannot be having any mistake. Okay. Look after installation, so make sure that the edge of the cabin air filter sit on the edge of the tray. Okay, like that. Okay, make sure it's even. We should run our fingers along the edges to make sure that this is properly, and then put down the cover and then screw it. Now our job is just to put that panel cover on top of this tray. And remember to put all the screws into the correct position. Okay, so if you like this video, please give me a like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Bye bye.